Let's roll with unroll. So, as you know, I really like trying new things, and today's thing is Noice. शोर शराबा नहीं, वो तो हम वैसे भी बचाते हैं, but this new brand called Noice. I know ये पैकेट खुला हुआ है बिकॉज मैं अपने किसी से नहीं बचा पाई एंड पूरा डेट चिप बाकी है हमारे रिव्यू के लिए. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. सो दिस इज potato fry-ins, no palm oil. I'm not really sure what palm oil is, but I've heard it's not good for your health, so a plus point. Let's dig into it. देखते हैं कोई चिप बाकी रहेगा तो. Okay, so I have this. Let's try it. I like it. It's not too spicy. It's really very crunchy and it has a good taste to it. Nice. You definitely must try it. Alright, so next up we have this banana chips made with coconut oil. I really like their packaging. It's really cool and minimalistic and has a good vibe to it. So yeah, plus points for packaging. Nice. It's not salty or like the normal banana chips. I think I prefer the normal banana chips more. I also have this aloo bhujia, which I have opened it. Very difficult. So I like that aloo bhujia that comes in small red packets. I guess it's from Haldiram. That one is my favorite. Let's try this one. Again, this is not made with any palm oil. Again, I really like the packaging, very minimal and it's very modern, new, nice packaging. So let's try it. Okay. It's actually really good. Nice, man. So out of the three I tried, I really like this fry-ins potato, and then aloo bhujia was really nice. I was not a fan of banana chips. It was so. I really like other banana chips more. And also I had ordered the chocolate chip cookie or something and it did not taste really good, so skip that cookie, but definitely try these two and other products. So yeah, that's it. The brand is really good, the packaging is good, the taste of these two products were really nice, and it says it has no palm oil, so maybe it's on healthier side. So definitely give it a try. Bye, and let me know what should I recommend in the next video.